Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Ritika. Today we are diving into the best plugins to create stunning image galleries for your website. In this video, we are going to explore the top 3 free WordPress plugins for image galleries. Whether you are showcasing photography portfolio pieces or product images, these plugins have got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1, NextGEN Gallery. NextGEN Gallery is one of the most popular WordPress gallery plugins. It's perfect for photographers and visual artists. With this plugin, you can easily create image galleries, albums, and even slideshows. It also offers advanced features like watermarking and batch uploads. Number 2, Photo Gallery by 10web. Photo Gallery by 10web allows you to create responsive image galleries with ease. It offers multiple views like slideshows, masonry, and block style galleries. Plus, you get a built-in social sharing features. Makes it easy for your visitors to share your work across different platforms. It's beginner friendly but packed with powerful customization tools. Number 3, Envira Photo Gallery. Envira Photo Gallery is known for its simple drag and drop interface. It makes it super easy to create beautiful responsive galleries in just a few clicks. Its lightweight design ensures your website remains fast while showcasing high quality images. You can also add albums, slideshows, and even integrate WooCommerce for selling your images. And that's a wrap up of top 3 free WordPress plugins for image galleries. Whether you are a photographer, designer, or business owner, these plugins will help you showcase your visuals in style. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Buddy Developers for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.